Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how do you find profitable stocks or good stocks to trade in the stock market. In the stock market there is like thousands of stocks, so how do you come out here every day and find something that is highly probable with a very good potential to become a profitable trade? Well, today I'm going to share my secret with how I am always able to find trades and I don't necessarily run out of trades in the market. So basically, the best way to do that is to create what is called a watch list. On your platform, whichever platform you trade on, even if you just use like an app, there is always a few features that allow you to create a watch list. In your watch list, what the best thing to do basically is put all the stocks that you like. If you hear about a stock on the news, it doesn't mean that you run inside there and go put on a trade. What you want to do is add that stock to your watch list and chart out that stock, meaning put in your buy zones and your sell zones so you can see where is this stock going, at what price would this be a low risk, high probability trade, and an area where you'd also be comfortable putting money at risk for a potential profit. So here on my screen, um, to the side right here, you see I have my watch list called my daily watch list. Also have a cloud stock watch list. If I go back a little bit more, you see where I have a watch list called semiconductor. So I also like to group my watch list. So whenever I jump into specifically my semiconductor watch list, I can just all look at all the semiconductor stocks that I like. I know how they move, and I can basically see what is going on with that specific stock. For example, AMD, you can see I mark out the support area. Support is around 34.41. Resistance is at 58.95. So at any given time, I will come back inside here and make a quick check to see if AMD has come back down here anywhere close to the 34 level where I would be happy to take a trade. Look at Cree, same thing. I've marked out my buy and sell zones, where the buy zone is actually, or the support area is between 34 and 31, and resistance at 68. So anytime I come inside here and I see Cree back down to the 34 level, all I will need to do is keep a closer eye on this and see when I'm getting a confirmation that this thing is ready to move back to the upside. Back to my daily watch list. On my daily watch list, this is the largest watch list I have. I basically have 68, 63 stocks on this watch list, and I have come inside here, draw my buy and sell zones on every one of these stocks, and I'll come in here every day and see what they are doing, which stock is near to the buy zone, which stock can provide me an opportunity with a trade. Some of these stocks they move um, very, they have a very wide range in terms of they can move a $20 range per day. So some of them do provide an opportunity for a day trade. But regardless of that, the most important thing is that I have this watch list. These are the stocks that I like the most. These are the stocks that anytime they come back to the buy zone, I'm willing to take an opportunity in these stocks. So if you want to not have to pay for a watch list or pay for somebody to send you a notification whenever a stock is in the right place to take a trade, this is what you need to do. Just create your watch list, whether in your phone or on your computer, and then go ahead and draw your support and resistance area And you can also set an alert in your phone or on your computer. So whenever the price get back down to the specific area that you like the stock, you can go ahead and take a position because your software or your mobile phone app that you're using will send you a notification to let you know that the stock is at the price that you like it at, and you can come in, look at it, see where it's going, and look for your confirmation and take a trade. So this video was just to help you guys to understand how you can find stocks in the market to trade every day. The best way to do it is just create yourself a couple watch lists. Add as many stocks to the watch list as you like. All the favorite stocks that you hear everyone talks about. And because they talk about them, meaning you can just jump in there and make money. You have to do the work by drawing out the buy and sell zone, the support or resistance area, so you can know when is a good time to take the trade. You want to basically let the trade come to you and not try to chase the stock. And this is exactly the way you do it, so you don't have to be trading or chasing the market. So if you like the contents that I'm putting out here on my channel, I ask you please like and subscribe to this page so that when my new video comes out, you'll be the first to get notified. I look forward to seeing you there.